Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This section will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. In this new page containing your website, click on Configuration from the navigation menu above, then click on Payment Providers from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to a new page with all the available payment providers for you. Just click on Install on the provider you want to use. Next, after it's installed, click on Activate right here. In this new page, click on the circle next to Enabled to activate your chosen provider. Then click on Connect Stripe down here. Next, in this new page, type in your email address that is connected to the provider you have installed, then click on Submit down here. Next, just type in your password, then click on Submit down here again. Odoo has prompts for you to answer, like asking for your information about your personal details and the account you want to use for payouts. After that, go back to the Payment Providers page again, then click on your installed provider. In this new page, click on Enable Payment Methods to finally add your chosen provider as a new payment method. And that is how you can add a payment method in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.